Hi friends, welcome back to Simple and Indian Dish. Today I will show the recipe of Besan Laddu. For that, heat 6 tablespoons of ghee in a kadai. Next, add 1 cup of besan flour to it. Now keep the flame low and fry the besan flour for 25 minutes. Don't burn it. After 25 minutes, switch off the flame and transfer this mixture into a bowl. Next, add half a cup of powdered sugar to it. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give a good mix. Add 2 tablespoons of cashew pieces. This step is optional. If you don't have cashew, you can skip this. Now let's make laddus with this mixture. Make sure the laddu is smooth and it should not have any cracks. Your laddu is ready. If you want, you can garnish with some dry fruits of your choice. Our simple and tasty laddus are now ready. Try this delicious recipe at your home for this Diwali and enjoy. Leave your comments and suggestions down below, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe to my channel.